I go and beg the lady I eat off the whole eye plum and not give me not even one. Show them you show me that bag where you want me. Take it out. You not take it out. She not her face go like snow.
Coleslaw. You want to see what's more?
You have good for me still? Alright, thanks. Yeah man.
One coleslaw and
Yeah man, so vlog where we got the pizza from the bill.
Yo, Jamaican KFC.
Barbecue.
It's the real deal. Look at the line back here, man. You never had KFC until you had a KFC in Jamaica.
Releasing dopamine.
Look at this.
Talk to them.
You know, you don't find these good-looking girls in Jamaica. You only can find them in over there. Them no sponsor, so we can't give them no shout out. Where's all our sponsors them? What them doing? No, Apple don't sponsor it.
Big up the Sugar Plum.
Big up Sugar Plum.
Esports that
All of them.
Yeah, Bacchanal. Digital Play.
Bacchanal, you need to get this one into your parade next year for free of charge.
Yeah. Vlog world summer there. Go up on the road today. Just to clear my mind and go get some food. Just build up my strength there in the kitchen. So I go and pack out some things. You know what I mean? Yeah. So buy a water too. And I put some 1 and 2 things in the fridge. My mother go get on the road, is it? Yeah. Hope everybody been alright. Maybe a niggeritis have mash me up, you know. Yeah. Niggeritis is real, bro. I mean, I go to Jamaica juice to get some juice. And I build up myself. Today is Thursday. After the funeral and thing on the weekend, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hope you guys been enjoying the vlogs then. And think big up on yourself. Thanks for the support. You know what I mean? Welcome all new subscribers and viewers. Is it? Some of us there. I go and do them thing of vlog. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. But we might go live after this. A thing. You know what I mean? So go and big up on yourself. I go and chat and hold a reason so again. Is it? Open the love the live too. So yeah. There. Alright vlog world, what go on? So then I'm back at my yard and thing. But make we chat now. I'm tell you know what go on, you know. So Carnival done now. And it's been great. Me enjoy myself. Big up to Bacchanal again. Big up to Pia, you know what I mean, for everything. So here we go on now, team signers, our real mates. Now that all of that over, but they are wonder nothing about what's the next step. And this is the part of the doing what I'm doing. That's hard, you know, cause you know what I mean, you have your plan. You execute the plan, but sometimes you are in a place where you're like, okay, what's next? So that my day I think about vlog world to wrap my head around everything and just really thinking about what's the next step right now in terms of content, not just vlogging only or the show, but just even streaming, you know. Kuya, watch your vlog work, Kuya. Watch out. Go on again, Karin. Karin, don't play with me. Karin, go on again. My friend. Girl, them have the face. Yeah, my friend. Oh my God. Oh. No, look at that vlog world. Oh my God! Never know pose. In a day I never know in a grass and you get free ice cream. From my boyfriend. You're too lie, you're wicked. You're wicked, boy. You never go. You go up on the vlog. You is a wicked. Not today, Satan. Tap the light.
Latif Kim. When you talk about differ, you talk about damn unique. Immaculate like Constant Street. Lyrics I drop on a constant beat. Man never stop me a constant.
Hi guys, join me this Friday at the Bob Marley Museum where we are going to be supporting children with Down syndrome. Wind Down for Charity will be having its event here at 6:30 p.m. and we will be taking a sip for a good cause. Please come out and support the Down Syndrome Foundation this Friday at 6:30 p.m. I'm looking forward to seeing you all.
Vlog world. Guess where I'm at? You're offering a queen, guys. Ooh.
We're in America. Ethiopia.
Rasta, you know, I ain't coming back, you know. I ain't come back to Jamaica. I there Ethiopia with the queen. You know what I mean? Introduce yourself. You can tell me about yourself.
Hi, I'm Lorenzo.
Bruh.
What? What?
You know it's the one and only. Rita Marley.
Okay.
You're the one and only.
Yeah, you know, I mean, if I a new queen, I leave it and I come back.
Hi, my name is Akira Goey and I am Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2018 from the beautiful parish of St. Mary. And I am here at the Bob Marley Museum and Mausoleum in Kingston. And we're having a wonderful time with some of the students from the Jamaica Down Syndrome Foundation. Here is Lorenzo.
AKA Simons.
Give them the remix. Give them the Bob Marley remix.
You want?
Give them the Bob Marley remix.
Well, she asking for a Marley remix, you know, so I have to change her voice up and make sure you know. You see she says smile, I go married again. I tell you no, I come in as you. I'm the reincarnation, you know what I mean? Because of self, retire everybody, but this is new Rita now. You know what I mean? I'm the younger one. Ah, jamming. Yeah.
Flash the locks.
Well, no, there, no, I cut it.
No,
I
it's
cut
a fail.
I cut it for the summer, I will grow back, you know what I mean? Don't worry yourself.
Smile.
I can. Yes! That be fun. What's a pose? Pose. Good. Let's go. I'm with my friend here, Junior Lee. What on, Junior Lee? You alright? You had fun? You had fun? No? Junior Lee, you didn't have any fun? Why are you waiting on mommy? Waiting on mommy? Mommy Sue coming here? She taking pictures with the lions. Okay? Okay. Mommy, shall we apply you? She vexed.
Take 2.
3.
You guys have fun today? Yes! Alright, great.
But mommy,
Great. Wait,
Bruh.
you never had. Come. Alright. Hi everyone, I'm Akira Goey, Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2018, and I am here with some of my beautiful friends from the Jamaica Down Syndrome Association. And we just finished our tour of the Bob Marley Museum. Did we have fun? Yes! And what is one thing that we learned on it? One love?
one love.
After 2, we're gonna say one love. 1, 2. One love. One love.
Latif him. When you talk about differ, you talk about damn unique. Immaculate like Constant Street. Lyrics I drop on a constant beat. Man never stop me a constant tweeter.
Easily, 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 man I beat them easily, 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 easily.